Let's get started creating a project in Phon. First, of course, we must open the Phon program. Upon startup, Phon will display the Workspace window, which shows your default Workspace folder and a list of the projects contained in that folder. This window also allows you to create, open, and extract projects. To create a project, click the Create Project button, enter a name for your project, and either press Enter or click plus. This will bring you to the Project Manager window, which will display information about your newly created project. In order to add transcripts to your project, you must first have a corpus to contain them. To create a corpus, go to the Project menu and select New Corpus. Enter a name for your corpus here. In this case, we'll go with the name of one of the participants in our study. You may also enter a description for your corpus. And click OK. Now you may wish to edit the template for this corpus. This means that you can specify information which may be the same across transcripts or sessions, so that when each new session in the corpus is created, this information will be already specified. To do so, right-click on your corpus and select Edit Corpus Template. Since session date and media file will often vary across transcripts, we'll leave these as they are. However, a corpus will often contain all transcripts for one target participant, so you can add that target participant or any other common participants here. To add a participant, click the plus or Add Participant button. Enter a name and birthday, a name and gender. Enter a birthday by selecting the numbers and typing over them. Once you have finished specifying participant information, click OK. Participant information can be edited at any time if, for example, you have a typo in the participant's name. To do so, select your participant and click the Edit Participant button. Alter any information you desire and click OK. You may also enter a language for your corpus here. In this case, our project is in English. You may also wish to set up a scheme for viewing your information tiers. You can lock tiers against unwanted editing, hide tiers so that they are not visible within your session, or you may add user-defined tiers. To do so, click the plus or New Tier button, enter a tier name, choose whether or not you'd like your tier to be grouped or word-aligned. This associates the tier on a one-to-one basis with orthography, using square brackets around the groups. Specify any font options you desire, and click OK. You may also reorder your tiers. To do so, select any tier you wish to move, and use the up and down arrows. Once you have specified all session information and tier management options, click Save and Close. You are now ready to create a session in your project. To do so, go to the Project menu and select New Session. Enter a name for your session here. A common Phon convention is that session names correspond to session dates. Ensure that the proper corpus is selected as a destination for your session and click OK. When you create a new session, Phon will automatically open it in the Session Editor window. Recall the information specified in the Edit Corpus Template window just a few moments ago. This information can now be further edited within the Session Editor using the Session Information and Tier Management views. For example, in the Session Information view, you can now alter your session date to more accurately reflect your current media recording. You may also add any other participants who are present during the recording. Even if these participants are not being studied, surrounding conversation is sometimes useful for analysis and need not be included in data searches. To do so, click the plus or add participant button, enter participant information, and click OK. Tier options can be further edited using the Tier Management view. To open a view which is not currently visible, go to the View menu and select its title from the list. All information tiers and their data are visible in the Record Data view here. To save your session, click the Save button in the top left corner of the Session Editor window. For a list of shortcuts, consult the User Manual under the General Session Tasks subsection.